Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Inga here and I am bringing you part 1 of my DIY lip gloss making video. And this is a spin-off from my entrepreneurship videos. So you guys can just sit back and relax and enjoy these videos. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and don't forget guys to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos by me or from me. So let's get into this. Well, first of all, I lined my table with this plastic table cover from the Dollar Tree. Then these are my plastic gloves. These are some spoons that I picked up there also. We'll be needing these bowls to mix the Versa gel in. These are for filling the tubes. These are the 60 millimeter cc's. And I also have my Versa gel right here. And this is from the company name TKB. It's Truth, Knowledge, and Beauty. You can use this. This is one type, and they come with these covers. Or you can use the plastic. I purchased these from Amazon. They came with the covers and everything. So you can get these from Amazon. These hand tubes here that I showed you earlier, I got this also from TKB. You'll be needing your oils. This is the oil that I like to use. It's grape seed oil. Also be using this fractionated coconut oil, and I will be explaining as I go along. I also got these from TKB. These are some scoops, and this is a small spatula. We'll need those for stirring. These are the liquid lips, some pigments and mica that I also got from TKB. And I also just picked up this little handy little measuring cup. I got this from Walmart. Isn't it cute? Don't forget your hand towel. This is the Versa Gel, and it's gluten-free and it's great for the lips. This is a lip gloss base, and it has various oils, lotions, and gel formulations. And this product is also vegan. So I'm going to use like a half of this, and I think they said like half of this Versa Gel. This is also 5.5 ounces, makes like 10 tubes. So first I'm going to be making a red gloss base with some sparkles or glitter in it, and I'm going to be using a mixed berry flavoring to go in that. As you can see, it's very thick, but as I apply the oils to it, it will thin out. And I'm gonna just do this to the consistency that I would like for it to have. I'm just gonna use a tad bit of grapeseed oil. And grapeseed oil is also good for the skin, and it helps with your vitamin E and your vitamin C. It preserves your skin, okay? The emollients, it smooths and softens it. So this is the grapeseed oil. I'm just going to use a bit of this. Well, I got this grapeseed oil from Amazon. So this is the fractionated oil. I got this from TKB also. And they said this product is known for being non-greasy. And it also has a forever shelf life. And it's colorless, odorless, and tasteless. So what I like about this is when I apply this to my Versa Gel, I don't have to worry about it changing its color. That's why I'm just going to put a little bit of grapeseed oil in it to just give it a little smoother texture. Okay, so this is the consistency of the lip gloss base when you apply it to the bowl without any of the oils or anything in it. I'm going to be doing a red, so what I think I'm going to be using is, I have these lip liquids I also got from TKB, and I'm just going to I'm going to be using the red 40. And I think I'm going to try and do something, mix a little pink with that. And this is Reborn. It's a soft pink. And this is also from TKB Trading. So when you see this logo here, you know it's from TKB. And these are my oils. So I'm gonna add the fractionated coconut oil. And I don't really have, I just do it to my liking. That's what I do. So as you can see, it's keeping its color, it's very clear. And you can just go ahead and mix, mix, mix. Let's get it there. Okay, that seems to be more like it. Yeah. So I do want this to be very sheer, so I'm just gonna get a little drop of this. Start with that one drop first. Goes a long way. There it is. So that's the main purpose of lip gloss. It's just to put a little tint or add a little tint to the lips, like giving it a sheer look, being able to see the natural lip color through. I said I was gonna dust a little pink in it. Just a little bit of pink I'm gonna get to dust in it. So if you wanted to stay this color, it's like a nice sheer pink, you can leave it as that, but I still want my red. I just wanted to give it that pink undertone like. So I'm just doing little drips like that, as you can see right there. I'm giving it that like popsicle look, color rather. The flavoring oil I'm going to use is this mixed berry flavoring oil, and I got this from TKB also. Just going to use a little bit. Wanted to have that scent, that flavor, or yeah, the scent of berries, which is perfect for this season. Yeah, so there you have that. Oh, one more thing. I'm just gonna add a bit of sparkle in that. So I'm gonna be using gold mica. It's sort of like a speckle. It has some glitter in it. And so it's gonna be perfect in this. So yeah, right there. So there you have that. It smells so much like Christmas. Again, let's get our Versagel ready. Grapeseed oil in, fractionated coconut oil. I don't like mine to be stiff. I like it to have a little bit of movement. So I'm gonna be using another one of my liquid lip liquid, sorry. And this time I'm going to be using the white, just a little dab. And I'm just going to give that some noble sparks, some nice sparks. I know you're thinking this is kind of weird, but watch how it comes out. It's going to be more like a candy cane to do. So I'm going to give this a dab of my essence of peppermint. Just a little bit. It's going to be a cool mint flavor as you place it on your lips, as you apply it to your lips. Noble Sparks from TKP again. So there you have that. Just put it to the top here so you can see it better. There you see it sparkly. It's going to give it a nice shimmer, sparkle shimmer. I'm going to add some more. Oh. And this is the red. So I'm going to be placing them into the tube. TKB also, forget to mention this, is just gonna clip the ending part up and attach it right here. So these are the tubes that I showed you earlier, and I'm just showing you how to apply that white plastic tip, and that's the part that you place inside of the tip of the tube. So is a better way to place it on is by just squeezing it onto the brush part and pushing it all the way up. And this will secure the gloss inside of the tube so that there wouldn't be any spills. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the lip gloss into the tubes. And after I'm done applying the gloss into the syringes, I'm going to take the lip gloss bottles and I'm just going to apply the glosses into the tube. I'm doing a candy cane look. As you can see, it's the red, the white, then the white, then the red, and the white again. There you have it, guys, the candy cane look. So you guys can let me know in the comments below if you would love to try this lip gloss DIY. Gonna apply the cover and screw it on tight and nice, and then I will be applying these into the tube lip glosses. I think these are 15 millimeter tubes. These are the same ones that I showed you earlier that I got from Amazon. And here we go, applying them into the tubes. So I would definitely recommend that you use these tubes for a tricolor look, or two-color look if you're using especially a white with another color, because you don't have to use that brush that you use for the bottles, and it doesn't distort the appearance as much. So the tubes are a little bit better because you just take the plastic tip of the tube and you just push it in and then you screw it on, and so it doesn't bother with the appearance much. Right now I'm placing that tip into the tube to secure it, and then I'll screw it on. So make sure you don't squeeze the bottle tightly so the lip gloss doesn't spill over. So right now I'm giving the lip glosses a little bath because as you can see, that stuff is very greasy and oily. So I'm just gonna give them a clean bath, and I'm using just water with a little bit of Dawn soap. And there you have it.